Let's talk about the annual MERR dolphin count. Some might say you can't value what you have until you know what you got. And in Lewis today, some volunteers did just that, counting dolphins, and not just for fun. Coast TV's Carmen Holland shows us what some people are doing, what they can to protect our neighbors in the sea.
It's the third weekend in July, and every year for the last 25, volunteers gather on beaches along the Delaware coast too.
We saw dolphins, so we had 11 dolphins this morning. That's exciting.
This activity is just unbelievable. Yeah, it's just so much fun. You have to be a lover of them to really get that sense of why it's so exciting.
Dolphin counting, a process facilitated by the MERR Institute to keep track of the Atlantic bottlenose dolphin species in the Delaware waters.
This helps us to see if the population is remaining stable or if it's not, and all of that information is then fed into a bigger body of knowledge on the bottlenose dolphins.
Groups of volunteers stand on the beach and are on lookout for dolphins, and it's not just pointing them out.
This is the dolphin counting board. On this board, they keep track of all the dolphins they see today, any birds in the area, any activity going on the beach. But this event is about so much more than just dolphin counting.
This is Gary Nensteel's fourth year volunteering, and being from this area, he says he came out today to do what's right.
We're monitoring the condition of our marine animals. They're under a lot of stress from human interaction, from boats and other predators, and as much as we can, we need to try to help and protect them.
The day brought out a new volunteer, Carol White, who says this experience should remind everyone of the bigger picture.
One is aesthetic, just beautiful. Number two is ethical, it's an important thing to do. And number three is self-fulfilling, just in terms of knowing that you're connected to other forms of life and other humans in doing this.
And MERR says it all starts with protecting the ocean, not just our coast, but for some, home. In Lewis, I'm Carmen Holland, Coast TV News.
The MERR Institute says they won't have the full results of how many dolphins were sighted today for a few weeks, but if you missed your opportunity and you want to dolphin count next year, they start taking names in mid-June.